riding the wave of success, understanding, hit a purple patch. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a colorful and intriguing expression, hit a purple patch. This phrase might conjure up images of vibrant fields or artistic strokes, but its meaning in everyday English is both interesting and inspiring. So, if you're ready to add another expression to your English repertoire, stay tuned as we unravel the mystery of this phrase. To hit a purple patch means to experience a period of exceptional success, good luck, or effectiveness after a time of average performance or even failure. The phrase is often used to describe a sudden improvement in someone's performance, whether in sports, writing, business, or any area of life. It's like suddenly finding yourself in a zone where everything you do just works out brilliantly. Understanding the origins of phrases can be as exciting as deciphering a secret code. The phrase, hit a purple patch, comes from a literary context. Historically, purple was associated with royalty and luxury because purple dye was rare and expensive. In literature, a purple patch referred to a section of text that was overly ornate or elaborate, standing out from more plain language around it. Over time, the expression evolved to mean any period of outstanding success or productivity, not just in writing but in any field. Now, let's put our phrase into action. Using hit a purple patch in sentences can help convey the idea of sudden success or a fortunate turn in events. For example, after several years of struggling as a musician, she finally hit a purple patch when her new album topped the charts. The team hit a purple patch in the second half of the season, winning almost every game. He seemed to hit a purple patch in his writing, producing his best work in a very short period. Using this phrase can add a layer of color and depth to your conversations and writing, illustrating moments of triumph and peak performance. And that's a wrap on today's exploration of the phrase, hit a purple patch. We hope this video has not only brightened your day with a splash of purple but also enriched your understanding of this expressive English idiom. Remember, language learning is a journey filled with its own purple patches, so embrace each step with curiosity and enthusiasm. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!